Floods can happen for several reasons, many of which coincide. However, excessive and heavy rainfall is one of the leading causes of floods, mainly when flash floods occur. Floods occur when the rate of rain in low-lying areas and urban settings exceeds the capacity of the ground to absorb it. Extreme rainfall in river courses also contributes to flooding. This is because it causes water to flow down riverbanks and spill over onto adjacent land. Here we talking about 5 recent deadlist floods in the world. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Number 5. Italy floods leave 13 dead and force 13,000 from their homes. More than 20 rivers have burst their banks in Italy, leaving 13 people dead and forcing thousands from their homes after 6 months' rainfall fell in a day and a half. More bodies were found on Thursday, after almost every river flooded between Bologna and the northeast coast 115 kilometers away. Some 280 landslides have taken place. The mayor of Ravenna, a city badly affected by flooding, told the BBC it was the worst disaster in a century. This is one of many villages and towns flooded in the province of Emilia-Romagna, not just from rivers, but overflowing canals too. More evacuations took place west of Ravenna, and more bodies were found. Many are warning that Italy needs a national plan to respond to the effects of climate change. Civil Protection Minister Nello Musumeci said, tropical conditions had already reached Italy, with 20 centimeters of rain falling in 36 hours, and in some areas up to 50 centimeters. Number 4. The Spain, which was free zones and very dry weather conditions, and had a prolonged drought, suddenly faces Sylvia floods. Torrential rains have enough down the street, into rivers in towns along Spain's Mediterranean coast. Floodwaters has entered homes, and has caused havoc. An eyewitness in fact shared a video from Spain's Murcia region, which showed the car being swept away by the fast-flowing floodwaters. When the driver was still inside the car. In another video, Madrid airport could of course be seen heavily flooded, with water in the video. Hailstorm can be seen sweeping past a car parking on the airport's flooded tarmac after witnessing the flooded basement, and this of most. The Spanish authorities then ordered to shut down schools, universities, and daycare centers. While the rains have caused mayhem and economic disruption, they were also been welcomed by many. Number 3. Pakistan, 11 dead as rain and flash floods cause houses to collapse in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. As many as 11 people have lost their lives following periods of heavy rainfall in Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. Many of the victims died after floods or heavy rain caused homes or roofs to collapse, once again revealing the vulnerability of communities living in poor housing structures in the province. The Provincial Disaster Management Authority of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa reported damages and fatalities after severe weather, including heavy rainfall in the province from 24 to the 25th of March 2023. Affected districts included Mardin, Peshawar, South Waziristan, and Khyber. 1 house was destroyed, 9 were damaged, 15 people were injured, and 6 killed. Most of the incidents were a result of poor housing structures collapsing. Further severe weather occurred from the 29th of March. 1 person was injured when a house collapsed due to heavy rain in South Waziristan. Number 2. Flash flooding from heavy rains killed dozens and affected 300,000 people in Ethiopia and Somalia in March 2023. The damaging flooding came after the region has experienced almost 3 years of extreme drought. In the first 25 days of March, parts of Ethiopia received 5 to 10 centimeters more rain than is usual for the period, according to a report from Crop Monitor. The Crop Monitor is part of the Group on Earth Observation's Global Agricultural Monitoring Initiative, which uses satellite data and modeling to produce early warning reports for food shortages. The above-average rainfall ushered in an early start to the long, or GU, rains, which are in March, April, and May in eastern Africa. The long rains typically contribute up to 60% of the total annual rainfall to the Horn of Africa, and play a big role in agricultural productivity. Normally, the long rains begin in Kenya and move north to Ethiopia and Somalia. But this year, the rains started concurrently, and the last 2 weeks of March were incredibly wet in all three countries. Moderate to heavy rains in the Ethiopian highlands overtopped banks of the Shabelle and Juba rivers. Homes, schools, and health facilities were destroyed along the banks of the two rivers, in southern Somalia and eastern Ethiopia, according to the United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs. Number 1. Several days of heavy rains have caused severe flooding in the Indian state of Assam. At least 34,000 people in 11 districts have been affected by this terrible flood. It is feared that the flood situation may worsen as the waters of the Brahmaputra River and several other rivers flowing through the state rise. In the meantime, the state administration of Assam's 11 districts including Biswanath, Dirang, Dhemaji, Likampur, Dibrugarh, Tamilpur said that 34,189 residents of these districts have been affected by the flood, among them 14,675 women and 3,787 children. Among the flood-hit districts, the situation in Lakipur is the most critical. Most of the people affected by the floods are residents of this district on the banks of the Brahmaputra River. The number of people affected by flood here is 23,516 people. Out of the 11 relief camps that have been opened to deal with the situation, 8 are in Lakhimpur district. 2 more relief camps have been opened in Udalguri. The Assam Disaster Response Force reported that 210 hectares of crops in 77 villages were destroyed. Landslides occurred in Dima, Haseo, and Kamrup districts amid heavy rains. Assam also experienced major floods last year. Many people of the state suffered a lot then. Meanwhile, at least 2,000 tourists have been stranded in India's tourist state of Sikkim. Floods and landslides caused by heavy rains have disrupted communications. 2,000 domestic and foreign tourists are trapped in North Sikkim due to heavy rains and landslides. 23 of them are Bangladeshis. Thanks for watching. Stay with us and please subscribe to get more videos.